Hey there, Mark Newman-Kuzel, President and CEO of Maine USA, and today I'm going to teach you how to get pet stains and odors out of your carpet. You need a few products for this: a bottle of club soda, a sponge, some paper towels. You might need a rag as backup, and last but not least, an air freshener. First step you're going to want to do is take some of your club soda, lightly sprinkle it on the stain. Take your sponge, soft side down, just kind of dab. Always dab, never rub. That's one of my mottos. Dab, don't rub. Let that kind of soak in there, a little wrist action. Take a paper towel, fold it, because we're going to work that paper towel as much as we can. We're saving the environment here, not wasting paper. Dab. You're going to get that rotten smell up. I am going to rely on my rag here to get any excess liquid. Just a little Febreze around the room, get rid of that smell. Mark Newman-Kuzel, Maine USA, and that's how you get rid of pet spray and odor out of your carpet.